Guys, look at this hairline. Ha! It is finished. It is over. Hi besties, it is time. From my bag of obsession, today's star is this one right here, the Boss Lady Wig, the one that makes me want to be firing people right now. Let's talk about her. The texture of those hair, smooth. Her vibe, the serious. This is the kind of wig you wear when you are not here to play. Like, if I put this wig on my head, if I put this wig on, even my feet will behave instantly. But first impression doesn't mean much. We need to test her out. First, let's see how much she's going to shed. Here's my brush and let's brush through. No. Do you see that? Wait. Oh, am I dreaming? Wait. Maybe let me brush faster. My God. Oh, just a few strands of hair, like 2 strands of hair. I have seen wigs shed as though they are allergic to me, but this one, she is holding on tight. Imagine, no. And check out the inside of this wig. Check out. Like the construction of this wig was carefully done. I am going to give them that because, my God, the tracks, OMG. And this big band right here makes it glueless. Like, and by the thickness of this band, I already know that this is going to hold. Like, I love me a secure queen, especially with kids climbing me. No, look at the feet. This is so tight, and I have this chunky cornrow behind me, but this wig is holding up tight. The band is keeping it secure. And look at this hairline. Guys, look at this hairline. It is finished. It is over. I am going to be firing people. There is nothing you can see. Don't argue with me now. Don't argue unless you are fired. This wig is a 13 by 6. I think this is full frontal, which means middle part, yes. Side part, yes. Left part, yes. She is too versatile. I love this. But seriously guys, this is a straight to the point kind of wig. No unnecessary drama, just professional slaying. Look at this, the transparency of this lace. I think this is even pre-cloth. Now, I know you've been waiting for this part. Yes, I got this wig for 12,500 francs CFA. If you convert that, that should be around 40,000 naira, 40 something thousand naira. And honestly, for that price, this wig is giving. She is screaming luxury. I honestly did not believe it when they told me that it's human hair, but I loved it, so I decided to get it. And from what I am seeing right here, it might not be 100% human hair, but better believe with this fluffiness and softness, she is screaming rage. She is screaming, I am the CEO. She is screaming, I am the boss here. Respect me or else fired. No, don't. Final verdict, Boss Lady Wig is a keeper. She does not shed like crazy and she is holding up tight. She makes me feel like I'm about to sign $1 million contract, even though I am just signing homework diaries for now. So guys, should she stay in my lineup or should she go back to the back? Let me know in the comment section because honestly, I am obsessed, but I need your judgment. That's it for this review guys. Thank you all so much for coming in with me. Remember, do not go anywhere. Next video is going to be installing and styling. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be mad. It's going to be lit. Okay, do not go anywhere. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done that already. Like this video. Tell me in the comment section, should she go back to the back or should we bring her out? Should we put her in the front? Let me know. I am obsessed, but your judgment is what counts the most. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, stars. I love you all so much and I truly do appreciate your love, your support. Thank you all. I will see you in our next episode. Do not go anywhere. Bye.